Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Oscar the Tiger here. I know it's been a while, I'm sorry about that. Yeah, been really busy with school and stuff. So yeah. And my other phone broke, so I'm using a new one. Sort of. Well, it's not a new phone, but it is a Samsung phone that I got from my mom. And the video quality may be definitely a little bit different. I cannot tell if this is my first video. So anyway, so yeah. So my other phone broke because I broke the screen. And yeah, just giving you guys a little update. Been busy with school, and then I kind of forgot my channel. I will be posting a lot more stuff this month by the end, in this month. So yeah, Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. And it's December 24th, 2024 right now. So yeah. I just want to show you some cameras that I got, and some of it are new, some of it are old. Starting with this. This is just a show and tell, not a review. This is a Canon PowerShot S50 that I got at a thrift store of some sort. I paid $5. Looks very nice. I don't know if it works or not, but I got a battery and a memory card, 256 megabytes. The slide a little broken though. Unfortunately, I don't have the charger to test this, unfortunately, but it's a really nice camera. So yeah. There's a Canon battery too, which is nice. Also on the same day in seller, I got this is a Kodak E-Shure CX70 7530, which is a 5 megapixel camera, Kodak E-Shure. This also works. I also paid $5 for this. Photo quality pretty good in the video, pretty nostalgia. Got 1 gigabyte too, and this one works too. I do have a Kodak printer and paper, all that. I just need to test it with this. So yeah. This is in really good condition actually. Yeah, very nice camera actually. Alright, here's a couple cameras that's not new. Well, actually, this one camera is actually also got the same day, which is a 35mm camera, film camera. This I don't show often, but this is the Minolta SR-1S, which I got for $10 with a case and everything. This is a really nice camera actually, in pretty good, decent condition actually. With this very nice neck strap as well. Just needs some TLC and cleaning, and so yeah, I promise this works. There we go. Oh, yeah, I forgot the case is on. Yeah, I have a few rare film cameras like this that I like to show you sometime. So yeah, this is my Minolta SR-1S. Not my rarest camera, but that's I will show in a minute. So yeah, I got like a flash meter, a flash, and everything for this. It's really cool. I really like this camera actually. Not too sure it works or not, but I'm hoping it is, because I want to use this. This is a very nice Minolta. So yeah, moving on. Here is a Kodak, not a Kodak camera, but this is from the 1940s or 1930s. This is from my grandmother's camera when she was a little girl, and still had it after all these years. And she gave it to me a year ago, and yeah. I forgot what model this is, but here it is. It is an old Kodak flip out things. I forgot what the model was. This is in really good condition, very rare too, I think. So yeah. Here's the Kodak that I'm talking about. So yeah, this is my grandmother's camera when she was a little girl. So this camera, I think it came out in 1934, so it's about 80 years old already. And still is really good condition. So yeah, here's a little viewfinder. Yes, it needs to be a little cleaning, but yeah. Here's your buttons and dials. So the film for this does not exist anymore. You had to get like an internal film for this, like a different type of it, I think. I would love to shoot on this again and see the picture quality and all that good stuff. So yeah, this is my unique camera. This is my favorite. I'm not getting rid of it or anything. This is the oldest camera in my collection too. Looking. Hold on, people. Accident ended the video. So this is a Kodak. I know it's a Kodak, and anyway, here's the film. Surprisingly, I still have the original film for this. Use Kodak film V16 or 16. Look at that, that's really old. Wow, this is a very nice old vintage camera. Forgot what the model is this, but yeah. And really in really good condition too. Got a little handle that. Little handle. I know it was made sometime in the 1930s or 40s, so yeah. So yeah, that's what's been going on. I am keep posting and stuff, but I don't want my channel to die out, so that's what's been happening. I just got busy with school and stuff, but I'm off break. So yeah, see me for another few videos, couple videos before the end. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this little show and tell of my cameras. You know, Merry Christmas, and stay safe, people. Bye bye. See you next time.